So hi friends, today we are going to see about structure in C programming. So the first introduction, what is a structure? So structure is a user-defined data types that group of multiple variables of different data types which uses in a types in under a single name. So C structure, C is a user-defined data type. It allows the program to combine the unit like array which stores the element on the same type. So it will use different data types, but it use the same name. The array and stores integers, characters, float, and other data types together. So structures are useful for representing in real world entities such as students, employee, books, and products by grouping the related informations. For example, for maintaining a student's record, if we use for us for I'm as a staff, so I'm considered in the ratio number. So I have different data types but under the single name. So in my database they can store pf salary details and my personal details and my blood groups and my academics, what are the achievements which is achieved by. So it contains different types of data types like that way. So phone number, it will contains number, string, whatever the data types have been different types. So but it can be stored in this single name. So it's mainly used for maintaining the employee record, students record, like that way they're using. So by group of related informations make programs for more organized, readable, and easier to maintain. So they are widely used in the database applications and the system programming to handle the complex data type. So next is need for structure. So here this is a need for structure. So I've already said that each structure will contain a different types of data types with the same name. So here without structures, so with structures, one logical unit will be considered. So here if it is not without structure, we have the int, roll number, char, float, like that way separate scatters have been is available. The structure definitions creates a templates, and memory will use as allocated bin structures. Variables are declared. So for example, a student record may contain roll number variables of each student becomes difficult when handling many records. So structures solve this problem, and it reduces the coding complexity, and structure also makes program more understandable because all the informations related to the entity is stored together, and they also help program model real world objects and simplifies the processing of the complex data. So this also uses the related variables into a single unit. We have which already seen that it uses the key points of struct, keyword, structure, name, and data types, and which is ended with that semicolon. So each data types with starts with the structure name. So next, this is a structure of input. So we are already given that, yes, we are already seeing that ash includes student.h struct student name, which is open braces and which is given in the int id. So int id is in the next column. So we are just given the upper same line. So here the student, we are the structure is created in the name of student name. So the structure keyword C is used as struct, struct struct, or the structure is defined using the following syntax. The in this example, the student structure name, roll number, and ID, which is created here, and we can also add some more marks of the students of semester 1, semester like that we have added. So the structure definition acts as a blueprint and does not allocate a memory until the structure variable is declared. So until it is not allowed to here, and this variable provides contains a multiple data types, making them flexible and more powerful. So the proper structure design helps in organizing a data effectively and improving program readability. So next, initialization, declaration. So here after defining a structure variable, which structure students we have created, that is S1, that is student number 1. And while using this, it saves a coding function and improves the readability and reduces the statement. So the dot operators allows individual structure members to be assigning and retrieved. So accessing a structure members correctly is important because each member stores specific information. So the structure variable behaves like a normal variable but contains multiple fields. So this is the functions, and this is the array of structures. And here we have uses the nested structure. So here nested structures is, makes the two more structures have been modeled. So for this example code, we have given the ID. So in real world applications, it was used in the student information, banking application, library management, payroll processing, and employee management, hospital management. So mainly used for the, we already seen like a mainly used for the maintaining the records. Thank you.